Whimsical. It give you really feeling good and ensure that it's not catching on the client's hair, and it lasts, keep all the crystal last so much longer. So usually I'm going to do a really quick exam first. You can see that I don't squeeze anything out yet because you don't want to squeeze it. It's going to flood your crystal. So you're going to do a little exam, and then I feel scratchy right here. You can hear that. And I'm going to just squeeze just a little bit of the precision glue gel. That's how much you need for the flat back. And then you can continue. If you feel scratchy, you're going to squeeze it out as you go along, but don't squeeze it out too much first because you might end up it's flooding your crystal. So want to check around and make sure that it's no scratchy. If it's scratchy, you can squeeze it in and feel that part. So now this one is good. It's not have too much of scratchy at all because it's a flat back. And then the condensed glue gel and the matte top coat will grab the base of it. It's staying really nice. So I am going to cure this for 60 seconds full cure. Remember, this one you always cure for 60 seconds. And then after that, another 60 seconds to make sure that it's completely dry. So I'm gonna checking and then checking on the edges right here. You feel scratchy, and you are going to make sure that squeeze it in. And then with the 3D cluster, you can go back more than one time if you feel like you are going to need it more, because sometimes the clients feel like it's just catching on their hair, so you can able to use again. I kind of like to have something on this. And then you can seal the purr. And then on this, if you feel scratchy right here, squeeze it in so then it won't catching on a client's hair. All right, so cure for 60 seconds. Thank you, Mika. I know it looks so cute.